Good evening, guys. Once again, back from your favorite and my favorite BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. Hope you all are perfectly fine and all right. Is the audio clear, guys? Is the audio clear? Audio and video perfectly fine. Okay, then, so let's move on with once again just pre class of Christmas. Okay, guys, hope you all are perfectly ready and with full energy for the session today. Okay, then Nagasumuk, Ayo, Abhijit Kumar, everyone, have the Josh in the class and let's begin today's session on Duodai series 2016 paper Biology Solving CBSE Board 2021 Class 10. Yes, this is the session just before Christmas, a pre-Christmas session on Duodai series. And today we are going to discuss with the 2016 paper. And let's once again introduce before you the Duodai series Ultimate Countdown begins. As you all know, the series is the last minute is the series is the ultimate series for the last minute revision or revision. So all stay tuned and just be active in the comment section. Comment all the answers as soon as possible when the question is on the screen. And once again, if anyone new is there, just reminding you to join our Telegram group at bio10 just or the direct link to join the Telegram group is given in the description box. Just click on that link and join our Telegram group right now. BioPoint Stream the World of Bio, as you all know, conducting live YouTube lectures, free mock tests, handwritten tests, quiz, and polls in the groups of both NEET and Class 10 batch. So, wishing one and all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the team BioPoint. Yes, everyone, are you all here? Come on, be active. Okay, then once again reminding you as we have posted in the Telegram group, a live Christmas greeting from BioPoint is there on YouTube at 9 p.m. So all of you stay tuned and wait for those session. And everyone, what you have to do in that session is just to wish the seniors and the seniors have to wish the juniors and both for us warm greetings of Christmas and a New Year. So let's enjoy the session live at 9 p.m. So do not forget to join that session. Okay, Binaya Ganesh, Ayo, Abhijit Kumar, Nagasumuk, Mia Binu, everyone. Okay, then so let's move on with our session 2016 Science Biology paper discussion of Duodai series. Hope it's a class 4. Okay, the fourth session from Duodai series. Okay, then guys, we are starting with the first question. List two body functions that will be affected if cerebellum gets damaged. Guys, as you all see in this screen, this question is a part of is not a part of your syllabus. Okay, this question is not a part of your syllabus as the chapter of control and coordination is not at all included there in your syllabus. Okay then guys, so let's move forward with the next question as per your syllabus. Yes, this question no is too not required for you to applications of biogas because it's from the chapter management of natural resources and that too is not at all required for you. Okay then, so let's move forward with the next question to yes everyone. A question with a score of 2. Draw a label diagram of cross section of leaf. Draw a label diagram of cross section of leaf. Hope the video and audio is perfectly clear. Okay, then guys, since you cannot comment this diagram in the chat section, so what was it? Let me check Nagasumok. Cannot comment this diagram in the chat section. It's perfect. It's perfect. I hope so. Okay, then so let's move on with the answer. If the audio is not at all clear, just comment me in the chat section. Okay, then guys, so this is a well-labeled diagram of the cross section of a leaf showing the parts cuticle, palisade, mesophyll, epidermis, spongy mesophyll, vein or vascular bundle, stoma, and the lower epidermis. So these are the 7 parts that you should label when you are asked to draw the cross section of a leaf. Okay, guys. Okay, then, guys. So let's move with the next question. Hope the first question is very clear for you, and this is the diagram that you have to draw when it is asked for the cross section of a leaf. The next question is out of your syllabus. Draw a diagram, the correct positions, pancreas, thyroid gland, pituitary gland, and adrenal gland in the human beings. From control and coordination, that too is not at all required for you. Okay, the next question with a score of 3 marks. Write one function of each of the following components of transport system in human beings. Option A, blood vessels. Option B, very sorry, question part A, blood vessels, part B, lymph, and part C, heart. You should write one function of each of the following. Okay, guys, comment me with the answers very fast. Comment down the answers very fast, guys. Waiting for your answers. One function of each of the following of the components of the transport system in human beings: blood vessels, lymph, and heart. So blood vessels, as you all say, blood vessels help in carrying blood cells. Carry blood. Harsh Singh, Binaya Ganesh, transport of blood. Kushi Jain, act as a pipe for blood. Shruti Tyagi, heart, pumping of blood. Okay, so let's move down with the answers, guys. I haven't got the answer for lymph. Part D, what's the function of lymph? Yes, Nagasubak, replace blood in rare cases. So these are the answers given by you all. So let's check the correct answer. And these are the exact points that you should write. Blood vessels, they carry blood throughout their body. Okay, so as you all know, there are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood, and capillaries are the smallest blood vessels formed by the union of arteries and veins. Okay, is the audio clear? Formed by what? The fusion of arteries and veins helps in diffusion of gases, and that all are the function of blood vessels. Okay, so what else? If we say in the case of lymph, it is a clear fluid that travels through the tissues to dense them and keep them firm. Through the tissues forward, their function is to dense them and to keep them firm, to provide rigidity to the lymphatic tissues. That is the function of lymph. Clear with that? All the 10 watching this session, give me thumbs up on the screen if it is perfectly fine. Function of the heart. Yes, Ayo. Yes, Ayo scored. Lymph help in fat digestion. Okay, lymph help in fat digestion. Okay, the function of heart: pumps blood throughout the body, which causes blood circulation. So it is a transporting organ or the circulatory organ in humans. There is a heart. So it helps in the pumping of blood throughout their body, along with what helps in the transport of oxygen. That is a function of the blood. Okay, not heart. Okay, so though heart pumps blood, okay, The heart pumps blood. We can say that transport of oxygen. Okay, it is function of heart. Okay then guys, is it clear? Moving on to the next question on the screen. Design an experiment to demonstrate hydrotropism. So since you cannot draw the diagram of the experiment in the chat box, comment me what is hydrotropism. Comment me fast. What is hydrotropism? Comment me guys fast. Waiting for your answers. You have all learned about the tropic movements. And come on. Tropic movements, phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, chemotropism, thicnotropism. All these are the tropic movements that you have learned. And comment me down with the answers of hydrotropism. Exactly. Nagasumag and Ayo scored the movement of plants towards water. The movement of plants towards water or with response to water. Okay, that's a more apt answer. Towards water, we cannot say because what? Whether it may be positive hydrotropism or negative hydrotropism. So we cannot say that it is towards water. It may be against from the water too. Okay. If it is in case of positive hydrotropism, what Nagasumuk said is exactly correct. And if general definition is asked for hydrotropism, what Ioscott said is exactly correct. Okay, guys. So moving on to the experiment. So this is the experiment that you have to design to demonstrate hydrotropism. Okay, first experiment that is showing in presence of water. In presence of water. Look here, roots growing straight, which is having a moist soil here. Okay, and water, under water. Okay, so root is moving towards the water. And what else if we say about this? In absence of water, what happens? Dry soil and moist soil. So it moves towards the moist soil. Clear with that? Clear with that? This is what we, or this is how we are gonna design an experiment to demonstrate hydrotropism. Okay, guys? Yes, Binaya Ganesh, it's from deleted portion of control and coordination. I hope so. Coordination in plants. Okay. But it's a simple, right? It's a simple question. Okay. This is what you may take it as a what source of information for you, just a source of information. Okay, then guys, moving on to the next question. This question 2 is out of syllabus. What could I do? No, it's from the syllabus. Very sorry, guys. It's from the syllabus. You have been appointed as the Eco Club in charge of your school to have taken care of the maintenance and conservation of the environment. Suggest any 3 ways by which you will carry out your duties. Write any 3 qualities that you would like your schoolmates to develop for environment conservation. So this question carries a marks of 3. Okay, a score of 3. Comment me the answers right now. On this question, suggest any 3 ways by which you will carry out your duties as an Eco Club in charge of your school. First, guys, and the next part, write 3 qualities that you would like your schoolmates to develop for our environment conservation. Yes, come on. No plastic usages is the answer given by your score. 3 R's. Okay, reuse, recycle, and what else? Yeah, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very sorry. Once again. Okay. Then planting trees and plants more is next answer from my score. Ban the uses of plastic things from Abhijit Kumar. Reusing non-biodegradable, recycling them and reduce. Yes, Vinay Agnish. Okay, then moving on to the answers. Yes, the three ways for preservation of environment are reduce the use of fossil fuels, reuse the non-biodegradable things, recycle the resources to avoid wastage. So the first point that you should check is to reduce the use of fossil fuels, because fossil fuels, they may be exhausted. So what you should do is that you should conserve them by reducing their usage. Okay, that's how the first way that you can conserve the environment. Okay, second one, reuse non-biodegradable things. Non-biodegradable things can be reused, like what, plastic, all those things, right? They can be reused. Recycle the resources to avoid wastage. Papers and all, newspapers and all can be recycled. And what I say, what, burning those vegetable waste and all those things, you should use those as a fertilizer, as a manure. Just dump it in a pit, and after that it may get decayed and it may be a very useful fertilizer for you, okay, to grow plants. Okay, so guys, once again, one more thing that I have to need from you is that we are requesting you all to share our YouTube lectures to your friends, since we have 392 subscribers, and let it reach 400. So hope you all will support us, and if you support us, give me hearts on the screen. If you support us, give me hearts on the screen. Okay, guys, moving on to the second part of the question. Let's write any three qualities that you would like to like your school to have for you. Okay, so the first is awareness. So the one who has is what they should need from the part of their friend is their friends should be aware of the nature, what the problems, what that may cause to the nature, the deteriorating qualities or features of the nature environment, all those things that they must be aware. And the second part, the B part, sorry, the second thing is that empathy. So someone asked what is empathy, right? I think Nagasumang. Yes. What is empathy? That one should understand and share the feelings. So one should understand the feelings of others and should be cooperative with that. And one should take actions in cooperative with that. That is what meant by the part B, empathy. Third one, it is a concern for the environment. So third quality that is in everything are happening in the environment. Clear with that, guys? Hope it's perfectly fine and you all are enjoying this session. Okay, guys. So moving on to the next question. State the form in which the following are stored: unused carbohydrate in plants, the energy derived from food in humans, from life processes. Describe the process of nutrition in amoeba with the help of the diagram. This is a question with a score of 5 marks. This is the question given here with a score of 5 marks. So guys, oh my god. Okay. So guys, comment me the answers. Yes, part A, you have given it as A1, unused carbohydrate in plants. It is starch. Energy derived from food in humans, it is nasty. So because of nutrition, it has a diagram that I should draw. Okay, fine. So before moving on to that, once again reminding you, if anyone new is there, do not forget to join our Telegram group right now. The direct link for the Telegram group is given there in the description box. The direct link is provided for you in the description box, and There we will conduct regular discussions, daily questions, exams, polls, quizzes, etc. Okay, guys? And once again, reminding you that at 9 p.m., you all have a live Christmas greetings from BioPoint. So kindly join the session and support the entire team of BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. So guys, moving on to the answers for the question. Most of you have commented ATP or glycogen. IO scored asked Binaya Gneesh, glycogen or ATP again. IO scored amoeba captures the food with pseudopodia. Nagasumuktu glycogen. Abhijit Kumar adenosine triphosphate. Abhijit Kumar starch. Okay guys, so let's move with the answers. The food is stored. Unused carbohydrate in plants is stored in the form of starch, and in humans, the energy derived from adenosine triphosphate or adenosine diphosphate. Okay, so mostly it is in the form of ATP. Okay, guys. Yes, iOS code have the Josh and be thrilled for that session. It's once again one more what what can we say? One more feature or one of hallmark lecture from BioPoints in the world of bio. A Christmas greetings for you. So next, nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba consumes food with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia or false feet. Pseudopodia are temporary finger-like projections of the cell surface which fuse over food particles. This results in the formation of food vacuole. Inside this food vacuole, complex substances are broken into simple ones. These are then diffused into cell cytoplasm. The remaining undigested material is thrown out of the cell surface. Clear with that? This is the mechanism or the process of nutrition in amoeba, and this figure is the one that you should draw in this case because it's a question for 5 marks, right? So in order to seek the attention of the valuers, okay, paper valuers, so what you should do is just kindly draw this diagram. Okay, food particles, pseudopodia moving towards the food particles, enclosing the food particles in the food vacuole, and clear with that? This is the process of nutrition in amoeba. Moving on to the next question, we have a big questions more. Yes, MCQ question of score 1. A student covered a leaf from a de-starched plant with a black paper strip and kept it in the garden outside his house in fresh air. In the evening, he tested the covered portion of the leaf for the presence of starch. By doing so, the student was trying to show that option A, carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. Option B, carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Option C, chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Option D, light is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, IOS called. Can you schedule a live session for all the students to ask queries, doubts related to studies? Friends, if we agree, please tell yes to this, sir. Do you need, guys? Guys, if you need, give me hearts on the screen. Then only I will be able to understand. Okay, comment me the answers. Along with that, if you agree to the suggestion of IOS, give me hearts on the screen. Answer is option D, as per the opinion of Abhijit Kumar and Mia Binu. Yes, Binaya Ganesh, you need that. Okay. IOS code need that. Nagasumuk needs that. Yes, as per the opinion of Nagasumuk, option C, chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis is the answer. IOS code, there is no such option of F. Okay, so kindly focus in the class. Yes, Rajakumar needs that. Abhijit Kumar needs that. Okay, then guys, surely we will contact it soon. Okay. Yes, exactly, Nagasumuk. F is not there, not at all there. Mia Binu too needs that. Okay. Okay, I have Scott, it's okay. Just be careful while you're typing the answers. Okay, then moving on to the answers exactly as per the opinion of Abhijit and what Mia Binu. The answer is option D. Light is necessary for photosynthesis. And Nagasumuk and Binaya Ganesh, please be careful with your answers. Okay, guys. So, I mean, what to say? Please think and answer. Okay. This experiment demonstrates that light is necessary for photosynthesis and not at all about chlorophyll. Clear with that? So, Nagasuma, look the question. Carbon dioxide is released during respiration. The small test tube of potassium hydroxide solution is suspended in a conical flask to absorb. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Please wait. 1 second, please wait. Okay, guys, are you all here? Are you all here? Okay, then watch this and be clear with the question. Okay, guys, can you all hear properly? Okay, then. So, look, the aim of the experiment is to show light is necessary for photosynthesis. Look here, let's watch this session. So, a potted plant, iodine solution, black paper strip, paper clips, and a water bag is required for this experiment. So, look, a plant is taken with an iodine solution, and now let's check the procedure. So a potted plant is selected and keep it in darkness for about 48 hours. So why it is kept in darkness? To de-starch that leaves of the plant. Okay, in order to de-starch the leaves of the plant is kept in the absence of sunlight or in the darkness for 48 hours. Okay, that is for exactly 2 days. Okay, then. So the plant is de-starched. Excuse me. So since photosynthesis doesn't take place in the absence of sunlight, what happens? So since photosynthesis doesn't take place, what happens is that the plant gets de-starched, right? And with the help of clips, fix a paper strip on the black paper on both the sides of a single leaf. This is how the experiment is carried out. Okay, on a leaf, on both the upper side and the lower side, a black paper is fixed with the help of clips. Okay, is it clear for you till now, guys? So keep the potted plant in sunlight for about 8 hours and the process of photosynthesis takes place and you can observe the change of color in that. Okay. Okay. So after cutting that black leaf and boiling those in leaf in alcohol, what happens is that and after that, the next procedure is to wash the leaf with water and few drops of iodine and observe the leaf. And what happens is that a blackish brown, a brownish black color, okay, is observed in the part where you have covered with the black paper and the other part remains blue. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, is it clear? Is it clear till now? That's all for the experiment. Okay, guys. So moving on to the next question of a score of 2. Yes, Nagasumog. It shows the presence of starch. So how starch is formed? Starch is formed by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Yeah, exactly. So exactly, it is formed in the presence of what? The presence of sunlight, and only if light is there, starch will be formed. And if starch is there, what happens? Food is stored in these plants. Clear with that? Moving on to the next question. Yes, super clear, clear. Okay, sir. Yeah, okay. Moving on to the next question of a score of 2 marks. State where stomata are ideally located are the cellular structures. This is a question for you. Yes, moving a bit fast due to the lack of time. Yes, the answer exactly as you have given. Stomatas are located generally at the lower epidermis, lower surface of the leaf. And yes, stomata are cellular structures. Clear with that? Clear with that, guys? Moving on to the next question. Okay, let me check how many questions that we have to cover. Yes, 3 more questions are there. Yes, next question with 1 mark. What happens when a mature Spirogyra filament attains considerable length? What happens when a mature Spirogyra filament attains considerable length? Tell me the answers, guys. Comment me the answers, guys. Yes, this is the answer. Filament of Spirogyra breaks into smaller fragments when it matures, and each fragment or each filament grows into a new filament or an individual. Okay, so each of those fragments grows into a new individual. This is what happens when a mature Spirogyra attains considerable length and breaks. Okay. The next question, explain the term regeneration used in relation to reproduction in organisms. Describe briefly how regeneration is carried out in multicellular organisms like Hydra. This question carries a score of 3. Yes, IO score next written test will be scheduled soon. Okay, guys, explain me or define the term regeneration. Regeneration is the ability of an organism to give rise to a new organism or an individual from their body part. If any body part, for example, if the tail of lizard is cut, or if it is the lizard itself sheds off its tail, what happens? New tail arises from the same position, right? So that is a example for regeneration. So regeneration is the ability of an organism to give rise to a new organism or individual from their body parts. Okay, guys. If the body of Hydra is cut into pieces, then each body piece of Hydra can grow into a complete Hydra. That is, on cutting into pieces, the cells of the cut parts divide rapidly to make balls of cell. The cells present in the balls of cells move to their proper places within the balls where they have to form various organs or body parts of an organism. This is how regeneration takes place in Hydra. Okay, guys, I am moving a bit fast because what we have to prepare with the next session at 9 p.m. Okay, that's why. Now it's 8:05. Okay. Yes, IO scored. Liver is a regenerative organ. Okay, guys, each and everyone, have your dinner and stay tuned for the supremely amazing lecture right at 9 p.m. Okay, their next question. The depletion of ozone layer is a cause of concern. Why? I hope it's the last and final question. Exactly. The depletion of the ozone layer is a cause of concern. Why? Okay, guys, comment me down with the answers. Yes, ozone layer prevents UV rays or the ultraviolet rays from the sun to penetrate down into the earth. Due to ozone depletion, UV rays strikes the earth's surface and causes health hazards like skin cancer. Exactly, I was called Binaya Ginesh, Mia Binu, Nagasumuk, where ozone avoided. Okay, okay, have commented the answer before. Okay. Yes, that's all for the session today. Hope it's perfectly clear and fine. Thank you all. Thanks for your patient listening. Once again, wishing a Merry Christmas from the entire team of BioPoint. And an extreme or a big wish for you all at what else? At 9 p.m. And it might be our last session of such a function in 2020. Okay, guys? So once again, reminding you all to join our Telegram group right at bio10this, or the direct link for the Telegram group is given there in the description box. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button, do comment, do share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel BioPoint. Stream the world of bio. Bye-bye. Thank you all for your active participation. Have your dinner and gear up for the next session right at 9 p.m. Thank you all, guys. Thank you. Nagasumuk, we are not gonna meet in next year. After 26, we will be back there in 27 with yet another lecture from BioPoint Do or Die series. Okay, function will be there only in 2021 next. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you all at 9 p.m. Have your dinner and stay tuned. Bye, guys.